Brought to you by CyberSolve's Joomla training cohort and mysites.guru. If you're using SP Page Builder and you've got a curious situation where all of your Joomla articles, not SP pages, but all your Joomla articles point to the same SP page, this is probably the solution. So here's what's happening for my client. He's rebuilding his site. So he's actually using StageIt. He's made a copy of his site. And all of his links that point to SP pages are working fine. You see up here, com SP page builder. But if we click on about us, com content here, all pages go to this SP page. In fact, if we go to here and click on an individual page, the same thing happens. What's the problem here? Well, if we go back into SP Page Builder in the back end, we look down and we see here is an article. All of these, an SP page, all of these are set to page, but this one is set to articles slug. And I don't mouse over it. Articles slug. I believe what happened here is that this was somehow installed as a demo. And so all links just went to the home page. And then the client has gone and edited this, and it is creating a headache. Now, I don't know how to change this from article slug. Maybe you do. Leave a comment in the description below. But if we go to unpublish, then we go back to the page and refresh. We're just going to go to about us, and then we start to see the pages, and my client can continue to work on what he wants to work on. Now, I'm actually leaving this page unpublished because I'm going to let him delete it so we can see where the change was. You can just trash it and then get on with your work. Till the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.